Okay, on question number 11, we're going to continue with our same set of directions. So I want to define my variable, write an inequality, and solve this problem. So I've got two consecutive even integers. So what I'll do is I'll let my first integer, since I got two of them, my first integer is n. My second integer, since they're even, they're two apart. So n plus 2. Then it says the sum, so we're going to add those. So n plus 2 is at most would be less than or equal to 15. Now I only have the parentheses in here for organization. They don't really mean anything, so actually I could maybe erase those. Only erase my n by chance, and I'll simplify. N plus n is 2n. So I'm going to say 2n plus 2 is less than or equal to 15. So now we'll solve that inequality. Minus 2 from both sides. So 2n is less than or equal to 13. Divide both sides by 2. N is less than or equal to 6.5. Now, 6.5 is not an even integer, so I want the biggest number that's even, that's less than or equal to 6.5. Well, that would make my first number, n, would be 6 then, wouldn't it? And n plus 2 would be 8. Notice if you add 6 and 8, you get 14, which is indeed less than or equal to 15. Okay, on number 12, she's got a commission on her sales. And notice on this problem, she wants to make between two numbers rather than just one number. So she wants to make at least 32,500, but she has a max of 41,900. Maybe that's the max they'll pay her. Maybe that will push her in a different tax bracket, and she doesn't want that. So she makes 10% on her salaries, and so on her sales. So I'm going to let X be the sales. So I'm going to start here with my lowest amount. So 32,500 is going to be less than, she wants between, so she want, yeah, I want to be 32,000, I want to make more than 32,500. Now I'll put in my commission. So we're going to say 0.10x, plus she makes 25,600 in salary no matter what. Okay? And then that will be less than 41,900. Well, now let's solve that inequality. Let's subtract 25,600 from the middle, the right, and the left. And we'll do little calculations now. 15 minus 6 is 9. 11 minus 9 is 2. So you get 2,900 there. Is less than 0.10x. Let's make sure I did that right. That doesn't seem right. Oh, 32,500. That's right. So 0 minus 0, 15 minus 6 is 9. And, oh, my handwriting got in the way. That's what happened. Try that again. Minus 25,600. That's going to lead to a little different answer, isn't it? Still have the 900 there. But then I'm going to take 11 minus 5 is 6,900. Okay. And then we'll go over here. We'll do the same thing. 0 minus 0 is 0. 9 minus 6 is 3. And then 11 minus 6, or 11 minus 5 is 6. And then 3 minus 2 is 1. I'm going to double check that because that seems kind of big. 0, 0, 9 minus 6 is 3. 11 minus 5 is 6. And there we have it. Now we'll divide both sides by 0.1. So she's going to sell between 69,000, because you divide by 0.1, you just move the decimal place over 1. And 163,000. And that is the correct answer. So that should be, on the type solution, that should be 163,000, not 103,000. Sorry about that. Whoa, I don't want TikTok. Get out of there. Okay. On number 14, we're going to solve these compound inequalities. On the first one with an OR, remember we just do it twice. So I multiply both sides by -2. Since I'm multiplying by negative, I flip the signs, so n is greater than -6. Then on the second inequality, I think I'll add 3 to both sides first. So I'll get 2n is greater than 15. Then I'll divide both sides by 2. N is greater than 7.5. Notice when I graph my first one, that includes my second one because 7.5 is bigger than -6. So this is an OR inequality, but you only have one solution or one graph. It doesn't split into 2 equal parts on this one like most do.